you upset about?
Are you recording us?
No, I'm recording.
Are you recording us?
I'm not recording you. I'm recording me.
Put that phone down.
This is my younger brother. Now, what are you upset about?
Put that phone down.
So you said the commissioner of police said you should arrest me?
Yes, we are not
over what?
To bring you to the office
by force.
Is it by force? I'm not holding you.
No, well, you said that. So why you then have? So you didn't bring a letter of invitation now.
Somebody, sorry.
That's not your business. When did you start telling people how to wear their clothes?
You are saying people should not use phone.
Let my car follow me. Is the car here? Yes.
Wait. Baba, wait first.
No, wait.
Let the.
You have to take me with my lawyer, so provide an avenue for.
Your lawyer can come and
Yes. No, wait now. Let him enter first.
Okay.
Enter.
Clear the thing now.
Enter inside now,
Where's this person? Oh.
Where's your second?
Where is she now?
She's at the back there.
Enter, please.
Can you come? Drive down. How are you now? How far?
No, sir.
Even though you know what you are doing is bad, so
I'm not doing anything bad.
no problem.
What's your family?
But you know we had to stand for you when they oppressed you. So if you are standing for oppression, you know the problem.
Just follow us. Anybody that is following us. Some people are okay.
Please, sir, wait.
My car is coming. You said it's an invitation. Why are you in a hurry?
I don't understand.
Yes.
Only they have the video car.
How are you?
Is this your car?
Yes.
So they follow us from behind.
Let me give them my stuff. Back.
What's going on? Why? What did he do?
They said they shouldn't look for the time that I was able to capture when the police was saying they should drop phone.
Follow them all.
Yes, follow them.
See, that was how one DSS.
They go.
Oga, follow them. Don't wait. Just drive behind them.